In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign fields in DocHub. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your document, and you want to go to the top left and click on this button, which is the Manage Fields button, and then you want to select the field which you want to use to actually assign somebody to. So I'm going to go for signature right now. I'm going to place it in here, and as you can see, here you have field and people, okay? So you can go to either one of these, and you can go ahead and select your assignees. So you could go in here, type in their email, press add like that, and it's going to get added. And as you can see, whenever you're ready, you can of course add multiple people if you want to. You can then click on assign field at the bottom and of course select whatever you want the role to be, click on assign field, and there we go. Fields will update successfully. So you can do this for any of these fields which have these options. So as you can see, for example, this one also has it over here. I could go and go to people, I could add them, I could go and basically assign fields, stuff like that. And yeah, that's how to do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.